My name is Rakshith. I'm from Omaha, Nebraska. I'm 9 years old and I love to do cool science experiments. Well, that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to do cool science experiments. If you want more cool science experiments, you can refer it in my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Rakshith. So after the live session is over, you can go there and refer it. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. The first experiment we're going to do is the rainbow Mosquito science experiment. This experiment is such an easy and fun, colorful science experiment. Let's see what materials we need. We need Skittles. You can use M&Ms or you can use Jets. You need warm water. And you need scissors. This is such a sharp object, so you need your mom and dad's help. Okay, let's get started. Cut it open. You can use the same color or you can use alternate colors. First step is to put Skittles in the plate. If possible, you can also try along with me, but don't forget to ask your mom and dad's help. And I'll just jump in. Right away. It's better that way. Yellow, purple, yellow, red, orange, green, yellow, orange, red, orange, purple, you can see back, yellow, green, orange, yellow, orange, red, green. And more Skittles. I think that's too much. Black, green, red, orange, yellow, and green. Why did these much extra? So back in the back. Okay, is everybody catched up? Because here's the final step, is to pour warm water in the center. Here I go. Is everybody ready? Okay, here I go. Now the magic is going to happen. Trust me, this experiment is too cool. See, it's happening. Starting. thought I could pour water, but it would just mess things up. Thank you. From Shruti Mansali. It's pretty colorful, right? Well, I think that way. Hi, JM Nisha. It's going to happen. It's fully coming. You can just take the Skittles and eat it after it's over. If you use purified water. Nice from Mariana Kavita. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for putting some awesome comments. Give me a thumbs up if you like this experiment. You can see the colors coming out. Well, that's great. It fully came for me. Hi Nisha from Chennai. It's really good to see you. Okay, onward to the next. Wait, I forgot one thing. The science behind the experiment. Well, let me explain it for you. The science behind the experiment. Why do the colors spread? Skittles are coated in food coloring and sugar. When you pour water over the Skittles, the colored coating dissolves, spreading through the water. The color and sugar dissolve into the water and then diffuse through the water, making it the color of the Skittle. The science behind why the colors do not mix is known as water stratification. That's the reason behind this experiment. So simple, right? Yes, it is very good. Hi, Deepika Jagadesh. Okay, let's go on to the next experiment. Clear off the table. The second experiment we're going to do is the balloon inflation. This is one of my favorite experiments because it made me say wow when I first did it. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's start. So for the experiment, we need baking soda. I can pour baking soda into this cup. Balloons. A funnel. empty bottle and vinegar. Okay, let's start. I'll just get this down. First step is to pour vinegar into the empty bottle. So we can use this funnel If you have any doubts, you can type it in the comment section. I will clearly explain it for you. That's all I need. Next is to pour baking soda in the balloon. I can use this funnel. Well, I have two bottles, so I can use this one and this one. Soda too. Whoa. Oh yeah, I forgot one more thing. I forgot the food coloring. It came off. The balloon got ripped. I'll just use this one. Well, I'm just not going to use the funnel. My dad is just going to hold it for me. Next is to add food coloring for the vinegar. You can use any color. You can use blue, you can use green, you can use yellow, you can use red, but I'm using blue. My name is Rakshith. Okay. I'll use blue for this one, and I'll use red for this one. Just going to take the funnel off. Red. Oh yeah, let's take the cap. Okay. I'm just going to mix it by shaking it. Okay. I forgot to put baking soda for another balloon. So I'll do yellow. And just more. Okay, that's it. Now we to attach the balloon to the bottle. The experiment name is the balloon inflation. So after the live session is over, you can take photos of it and send it to me. Okay, now here's the last step. If I just lift this up, the chemical reaction is going to happen. The baking soda is going to fall into the vinegar and cause the reaction. At the same time, here I go. This baking soda is not good. Okay, this is also starting. It's so amazing. See, the chemical reaction is beginning. What did you do? What color did you put? I was just wondering. This experiment was a blast, right? I hope this made you say wow, because it made me say wow. This experiment made Anusha Khatri say wow. Shruti Mansuri say, where you practice these? I don't practice, I just learn. It said Pallavi Sin. This experiment made Pallavi Sin say wow. And Shruti Mansali said wow also. Marla Ravi Kiran said amazing. Dr. Singh said fantastic. Wow guys, these comments are really wonderful. Nisha says wow. I can't believe this. Okay, let's go on to the next experiment. Wait, I forgot it again. The science behind the experiment. Baking soda plus vinegar plus balloon experiment. So how does it work? The vinegar and the baking soda mix together to make an acid-base reaction. The reaction creates carbon dioxide gas that bubbles up from the mixture The gas expands up and out of the bottle and inflates the balloon. Another cool thing about these balloons is that carbon dioxide is heavier than air. So when you drop the balloon, you'll notice that it falls to the ground faster than a regular balloon filled with air. Okay, let's go to the next experiment. The next experiment we're going to do is the lava lamp. You know, guys, this is my first favorite experiment in the world. Okay, let's start. Your sister also made this? Well, this is my favorite experiment. Okay, let's start. After I clean this table, made a big mess. Okay, onward to the lava lamp. For the lava lamp experiment, we need vegetable oil, water, food coloring, an empty bottle, or Alka-Seltzer tablet. You can use Alka-Seltzer tablet or you can use aspirin. Kids can always take their mom and dad help. Okay, let's start. First, put vegetable oil in the bottle. Yes, you can always try this. And you can even post videos after the live session doing it. Okay. Next is to pour water. The water is going to sink because the water has more density than the oil. Next is to add food coloring. I'm going to put green. I'm going to do 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I did 7. It automatically came. Next is the last step. If we add the Alka-Seltzer tablets or aspirin, we will get the chemical reaction. Got it. You have to break it in half and put it. You can't put it all at once. I broke it into 4 pieces. The first piece, go, go, go. See guys, it's starting. It's making gas. Second one. Third one. And fourth one. There guys, awesome, right? Then put it a little closer for you. Wow, it's so awesome. Can't watch the bubbly blobs. Okay, let's see the science behind this experiment. Okay, let's see if you guys know it. Can any of you guess? Parents, how about you? Take a try. Okay, then I will explain it for you. Lava lamp experiments. The oil floats on top of the water because it is less dense or lighter than water. The food coloring has the same density as the water, so it sinks through the oil and mixes with the water. When you add the tablet, it sinks to the bottom, then starts to dissolve. As it dissolves, it makes gas. Carbon dioxide, gas or air, is lighter than water, so it flows to the top. The air bubbles bring some colored water with them to the top. When the air comes out of the colored water blob, the water gets heavy again and sinks. It does this over and over and over again until the tablet is completely dissolved. Sradu loved it. Me too, I love it so much. Very nice. Yes, this is an awesome experiment. Okay, let's go to the fourth experiment. The fourth experiment is, I'll just clean the table first. The fourth experiment is, Preeti said it's amazing. The fourth experiment is the rainbow milk science experiment. This is also one of my favorite experiments. I almost like every experiment because cool science experiments is my favorite. Let's start now. The materials we need is a white plate, milk, cotton swab. You can use cotton swab or you can use tissue papers. Dettol soap and a cup to pour it. I'll put the left like this so you can see it better. Okay, let's start. First is to put milk in the plate. I used whole milk. I forgot one thing again. I forgot the food colors. Why am I always forgetting? Next step is to pour the Dettol in the cup. Is dishwash soap. It's amazing from Kavya. I always get things messed up. This is the dishwasher soap. Next is to add food coloring in the plate. You can add more food coloring using different colors. So I have green, yellow, red and blue. Red and blue. So green first. Next is blue. Next is my dad's favorite color, red. Next is the final color, yellow. I got a super from Ani Yagi. Yellow, 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 coming with colors. Yellow is coming. Okay, now is to put the cotton swab in the dish soap. Dip, 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 dip. Now here's the final step. Is everybody caught up? Kevin and Sandra have done this experiment already? Well, good for you. Next is to put it in the center and makes the reaction. See guys, it's amazing. It's so amazing. I love it so much. I got good from Shruti Mansali. Today is going to be the day to unlock your true science skills. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the science behind this experiment. The science behind this experiment: milk is mostly water, but it also contains vitamins, minerals, proteins, and tiny droplets of fat suspended in solution. Fats and proteins are sensitive to changes in the surrounding solution. When liquid dish soap is added to milk with drops of food coloring on the surface, the soap reduces the surface tension of the milk and reacts with the fat. This interaction causes the fat particles in the milk to move and creates rolls of color. I got a thank you from Shruti Mansal. Guys, you're truly overwhelming by your comments. They got a wow from Bobby T. Singh. This is just getting cooler and cooler. Shall we move on to the next experiment? I'll just clear it off now. The fourth experiment we're going to do is the orange and balloon experiment. Okay, let's see what experiments. Okay, let's see what materials we need. I always get words mixed up. We need balloons. We need scissors. This is a sharp object, so you need your mom and dad's help. Orange. A knife. This is also a sharp object, so you need your mom and dad help. And balloon. And a plate. Okay, first is we have to blow the balloon up. I use a different color. What color should I use? It is the fifth experiment. I just got mixed up. I'll use red. Lot of people suggested colors, but I just got red because it's also my favorite color. Now just tight. How's my dad's house? What? Well, I cut the orange skin. I'll do another balloon. A lot of people suggested colors. I'll do blue. Do I like funny when I blow? Because I do think so. Okay, let's start by doing this balloon. Don't fly away from me. It broke! I succeeded the experiment. Well, we have to do another one, so I'll cut another skin. Actually, I'll just use this one. That was strange. Okay, let's just do the science behind the experiment. The science behind this experiment. Plus, if you like this experiment, please give me a thumbs up in the comment section. I already got a lot of thumbs up. I got thumbs up from group. I got thumbs up from Indra Karthik, kids and parents. Can you guess the science behind this experiment? Can you share it in the comment section? Sandra and Kevin enjoyed this experiment. It's fantastic. Yes, I think this too. It's also kid friendly. It's so amazing. I got really awesome from Sunita Pudi. Come on guys, this is too good. Okay, I'll just go to the science behind the experiment. Limonium is a hydrocarbon. Latex rubber is also a hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons will dissolve together if in contact with each other. So when the citrus oil touches the surface of the balloon, some of the latex from the balloon immediately begins to dissolve in the Limonium. Result, pop, pop. Okay, let's go to the next experiment. The next experiment is dry erase and markers. I'll just clean this place off. The sharpest object. Oops, Okay, let's start the experiments. I got a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, and lots of smiley faces from Rakshith Ganapati. Okay, let's go, guys. All you need is white plates, water, and marker. You can use different colors. You can use purple, you can use black, you can use green, you can use red, but I'm going to go with black because black does it really quickly and it's amazing. You can also try it in different colors. Do you think what are you going to use? Ready to work? A circle, one line, legs, hands. You can also do wiggly. You can also add a hand. I'm just going to put a little. Here, 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 here. Okay guys, here I go. This is warm water. You can also do different temperature of water. You can do it really hot water. You can do it really cold water. Or you can use warm water, like I did. Yes, it is working. Oh. The hands are coming. Come on, the head got off. I'm a disco dancer, dancing always like I used to. I'm a disco dancer, dancing like I used to. The hair is shaking. Can you see? Well, now I'm going to try alphabets. I need another plate for that. Awesome. What alphabet and number should I put? Any suggestion, guys? It started swimming? Well, that's awesome for you. Any suggestion what alphabet and number should I put? Okay. Can you share it in the comment section? Dancing, wow, okay. I'll just put my favorite numbers and alphabets. I'll do an R. I'll do an 8. I'll do a 7. And I'll do... That's enough. The 8 is starting off quickly. So I'll just add 2 right over here. Quickly. It is real dancing. Okay guys, let's see the science behind this wonderful experiment. Kids and parents, can you guess the science behind this experiment? My birthday is a wonderful idea. Why did I miss it? Okay, science behind this experiment. The ink in dry erase markers is also insoluble. That means it can be dissolved in a liquid, and more importantly, it means it's less dense than water. When you pour water onto a dry erase stick figure doodled onto a smooth surface, a strong Beyonce force overcomes the stickiness of the ink, pulling the doodle off the surface and causing it to not so magically float on the water. Nice? Thank you so much! If you want more experiments, you can also reflect in my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Rakshith. I do a lot of educational videos and more science experiments like this. If you like the video so much, please like, comment, share and subscribe. I have one more message for you guys. Thank you so much for encouraging me and watching me. I'm truly overwhelmed by your comments. Really. I hope the little Ellie kids will try more new experiments and will enjoy them. Stay home, stay safe. I'm going to sign off now. It's amazing from Sandra and Kevin. Thank you guys. I'm going to sign off. And I have to thank the Little Ellie Preschool for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching me. You really truly overwhelmed me by your comments. I have to say. Okay, bye. You can even post your videos now because the live session is completely over. We're going back to sleep.